Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the 7 Google Keep tips every user needs to know. So these tips on Google Keep might be really helpful for you if you are using these apps on your phone or maybe on your computer like this. So the first tip then that I'm going to show you is the bulk edit notes. So if you want to edit or make some changes into a few notes and the edits is actually the same, so you can just do bulk edits. So what you need to do here is just like the notes that you want to make some changes. For example, I'm going to go with this one, and you can see this little checkbox at the top left corner of the note. You can do that. You can click on that to select the notes, and you can select more than one just like this. And in here there are a few things that you can do. If you want to do the bulk edits, here you can pin, you can add reminder to those notes, and here you can also add just the background options or archive that notes. And let's move to the second note, which is the group checklist. So in here, if you have a checklist on your notes, for example here I have this list that I'm going to make a checkbox. So what you need to do to make the checkbox first is just open the notes and click on this more option, the three dots icon, and tap on these show checkboxes. And just like that, it will turn into a checkbox easily. And what you need to do to group the checklist is that here, when you click on one of the point of the checklist here, you can just drag it. For example, I want to group this one, so here you can just drag it to the right, and this one will be grouped with the one at the top. You can just do that repeatedly if you want to group just like this. Okay, so let's move to the third one, is that you can move the Google Docs Google Keep notes into Google Docs. So for example, in here I'm going to select this notes right here, let's say. So if you want to move it into the Google Docs, you can just click on the more options, and there will be this options copy to Google Docs. So if you click on that, now the notes will be copying to Google Docs, and you can open the doc here, and just like that, as you guys can see, the notes will be moved here. And if you tap on this Google Keep note icon at the right panel, you can see there are your other notes. So that means that if you want to copy notes from other notes here, you can just click on the notes and copy it in here. And let's move on to the fourth one, is that you can add Google Keep extension to your Google Chrome. So you can just here go to the extension. Here you can click on extension, and you can visit the Chrome web store and find Google Keep. This one, Google Keep Chrome extension. Here you can add it to Chrome. So when you add the Google Keep Chrome extension, you can, here you can see this is the things that you can do. You can save URLs, text, and images. You can type notes on saved content. You can add labels to your notes and automatically save to Google Docs. So for example, here I'm going to open an article here. Okay, so for example, this articles right here. So if you want to grab the this article to your Keep note here, you can just click on this extension, and in here click on the Google Chrome extensions, and you can just create note from this article. For example, you can add reminder, read this article tomorrow, and just write this, and then you can click on create note, and when you open your Google Keep, you can see this is what it will show. And let's move on to the fifth, I think. And the next one is that you can grab text directly from images. So in here, for example, I've already add an image to my notes, so you can just click on this three dots icon, and there will be this option, grab image text. So you can do that, and as you guys can see here, the text from the image will be converted or grab, and it will add it into your notes easily. So it will also apply if you have so many text in the image. And in here, I'm going to show you the sixth one. The sixth is that you can edit images on the Google Keep. So here, I'm going to edit image from this ones right here. For example, you can just click on the image here, and there will be this pencil or like pen icon to edit a drawing. So by clicking on that here, you can, for example, highlight information from the image. For example, here I'm going to highlight this one right here. You can just select the pen that you want. Here you can see if you want to like make some notes in here, you can just do that here, and when you go back, it will be added to the image. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is the last one. Here, if you want to add reminders to your notes, you can see there will be this times options that you can select it, like you can also pick date and time directly, or you can also set the default reminders like this ones right here. So if you want to change the default reminders here, you just need to go to the gear icon to go to the settings, tap on settings, and there will be this reminder default. So if you want to change the time, for example, I'm going to change into 7 a.m. and afternoon to 2 p.m. and here you can also change the evening just like this, and now you can just click on save. So when you want to set a reminder to the notes, the reminders default has been changed into the one you set. So that's pretty much all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.